Guys, we're back to working on this stupid thing. The mechanic did not fix it. Now the bed doesn't want to stay down. So I come to the conclusion, I know what it is. This stop here, see how far up above this one is? If you ever have this problem on your side-by-side and you got these little adjustments, we're going to loosen up the nut, drive this thing down, and it should fix it. So that's my tip of the day. So thank you for stopping by Lynn's Homestead, and I'll see you next time when we're fixing something else. You didn't pull that parking brake up, did you? Well, why'd you pull it up? Now you gotta open the bed. Yeah, the bed is really twisted on this thing.